Hi, this is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 47 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at the simplest way to take a trade. You cannot get any simpler than this one, and that's trading support and resistance. All you have to do is draw your support and resistance lines, wait for the price to show up, and you take a trade. I will show you where to place your support and resistance line, what does it look like when the price approaches these levels, how to enter the trade, where to exit the trade, and where to place your stop loss. Let's go take a look at the charts now.
Here we are looking at how to trade using support and resistance lines. So if a person is a beginner to trading, or if you don't really know anything else, you're just learning stuff, or you just wanted to simplify your trading and not really get too encumbered by all the indicators and everything else on your charts, trading support and resistance is one of the easiest way to take trades. In this example here, we are looking at the oil daily chart, which is WTI, and this applies to all kinds of different markets. You can trade currencies with it, you can trade commodities, oil, gold, silver, or even you can trade stocks using the simple support and resistance. So this is the technical analysis 101. In this case, all you're looking for is your support and resistance line. So support and resistance is basically just an area where price has turned around previously, and now you're expecting the price to do the same at that point. And generally what happens is when we have strong areas of support and resistance, for example, off of your daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, or multiple year support and resistance areas, price will generally react to those areas. And that's really what we are working off of. That's the premise that we are working with. So in this case here, we see that the price has resistance right over here, 52 level. So price has come up here, and 52 level price bounces off of that quite hard, and we see a substantial drop in the price of oil off of that $52 mark. So this was formed back in May of 2016, and coming into October here, we see that the price came and tested the same level again, same resistance level again, and then retreated off of that, went and tried the level again, and then we had a nice bearish engulfing candle. So there are a different chart patterns you can apply to this one. You could trade this as a double top, triple top type of trade pattern as well. However, in this case, if you didn't know how to find that, you could just look at support and resistance. Because this is a daily chart, this resistance is very important. And another way you can tell whether a support and resistance area is important is by taking a look at how far the price bounced once it got there the first time around. So in this case, as we can see, price just moved off of that level and bounced down quite a bit. So this was a big move down in the price of oil, and now when the prices come into this level again, we are expecting a bounce again. In terms of the trading the support and resistance, in this particular case, there are two ways you can trade it. Actually, in general, just when it comes to support and resistance, there are two ways you can trade it. One is right into the support and resistance level. By that, I mean you could take an entry, you could expect the price coming into this level and bouncing off of that. So you could just take a sell trade right at that 52 level even before the price got here. You could have a pending order sitting there expecting the price to retrace off of that level. So first time the price generally comes into that level, especially if it's such a strong level, price will generally bounce off. And as we can see, price had bounced off of here and gone into the previous support and resistance level. So that's the first way you can trade this. Or if you wanted a confirmed entry, what we call a confirmed entry, you can wait for price to go into this level, get rejected there, and give us a confirmation candle. In this case, this strong bearish engulfing candle is our confirmation that the price is not willing to go beyond that level. So in this case, considering we are conservatives, we can look at the bearish engulfing candle. We can wait for that candle and then we can take the entry. So this is the candle we are looking for. We can wait for a bit of a pullback here, 50% pullback, and that's when we would enter the trade short. So we sell oil here. Our stop would go above the high. Make sure that you give it some room because it could go test this level one more time, and we don't know that it won't. So it's important that we give some room above the entry here for the trade to breathe. We enter the trade short here and we stay with the trade. As you can see, price hasn't really given us any indication that it wants to reverse till it comes to this level here. So it gets close to support and we see a big push up, and then followed right next day we see a drop in the price again, and two bearish engulfing candles here, very, very strong. But then once the price comes into this next level of support and resistance here, we see a big bullish pin bar. This is the place we would exit the trade. And the reasons for exit the trade would be two. One would be that we have come into next strong level of support and resistance. As you can see here, once the price got into this level, it bounced off and then bounced off of this level quite hard all the way to the top. So this is a strong support and resistance level. So two reasons for exiting the trade would be one, that it has come into support and resistance and has rejected the support level at this point because it's come back and stayed or closed above the support. Second would be that we have a bullish pin bar. This is a daily bullish pin bar, and pin bars on a 1 hour charts are great. On the daily chart, they are even more powerful. So this will be a place to exit the trade because we have a reversal candle in the opposite direction. So this is where we would exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 700 pips, and this is $700 of profit if trading one standard lot. So just to quickly recap here, we are looking for strong support and resistance areas. This is a daily chart, so this is a very powerful support and resistance area because price bounced off very, very strongly off of this level previously. So we would wait for a confirmation here, which is our engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. On a 50% pullback, we would sell this. Stop goes above the high here, and we stay in the trade till we get a reversal pattern at the next support and resistance area, which is this, and we exit our trade here. From entry to exit, this is 700 pips in the trade. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the trade. You guys are a wonderful audience, and it's a pleasure sharing these trades with you. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. And I will see you on the next show.